Now, most of you probably know that I've already made a separate tutorial for the Don't Start Now dance, so I'm just gonna cut in the relevant part here. Alright, so starting with part 1, let me just show you a quick preview of what we're gonna learn. So it starts, aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so you want to take both your hands up here and then you want to say push down, push down. Now at the same time, if you want to, you can go bit down, yeah? So down, bending your knees here, yeah? Or you can just go wah, wah, or wah, wah. So that's on aren't you. From here, you want to say rock from side to side here. I know that Charlie is just doing swing your hip from side to side. And then your arms are just here, whoop, by your hip, whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm moving my hip from side to side. At the same time, I'm also saying down, up, and I'm using my legs for that. Yeah, so I'm combining this with down, up, down, up, down, up. And at the same time, the arms are just swinging from side to side. That's one version. You could also go rock back and forth here. So you're taking a step each time. So whoop, whoop, back, front, front. And this part is on, so we go, aren't you the guy who... And. Okay, so right after wah, 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 from here we want to do the wiggle part. So da, 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 da. Let's just do the arms first. The arms are saying close fist here. You want to say right side, left side, right side, left side. Now from here they move up and say 2 to the right, left, right. Yeah, so right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's just practice that part. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna say da 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 da. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So it's 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. And the wiggle part, it's kind of difficult if you have your legs straight here, so you might want to bend down a bit to do this wiggle part, where I basically just move my hip from side to side. Yeah, whoop, 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 like this. And then you want to move them up, and it goes fairly quick. It's on try to, yeah? Let's just practice this. Try to, just gonna try that a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go try to, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go try to. You might want to practice this a few times before you move on. And then while you're doing this, you also maybe want to move up slightly to your right here. Yeah, so it's wah, wah, right, right. So from the center to the right. So that's 4 in total, and you're starting to your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this part goes on, aren't you the guy who tried to... Yeah, so you have to do this fairly quick. So it's try to... Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, try to... Just practice that a few times. Let's try one more time with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Try to... And. Alright, so let's just do the last part. So right after try to... From here, you want to say take your right arm and go hit your head, yeah? So you're moving your head from the side. Whoop. And you want to kind of lean to your left here. And then you want to say, pull both hands up and go away. Yeah, so up to your head here and then away. And this is on, try to hurt me with the word. Okay, so let's just practice the last part. So we're gonna go, try to hurt me with the word. All right, let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Try to hurt me with the word. Okay, let's try that again a bit slower. So 5. So try to hurt me with the word. Yeah, just a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Try to hurt me with the word. Alright, so now let's do a recap of part 1. So from the tip top, it goes, aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word? Alright, now let's practice that a few times. So we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Aren't you the guy who and try to hurt me with the word? Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Aren't you the guy who and try to and hurt me with the word? Alright, now let's do a fast one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Aren't you the guy who and try to hurt me with the word? Okay, so when you want to do the Sunday best 𝐓𝐔𝐓𝐑𝐈𝐀𝐋 Don't Start Now dance, then there are just a few extra details we need to look at. Okay, so the first thing is right before the Sunday best feeling good dance starts. So right before this, there's a reload sound, so you can go either or whatever you want. So, and then you go right into good, damn, click, like I showed, and so on. The second thing is the dance ends after you do this, so you don't do woo and feeling blessed part. So you just stop after ka 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 ka, because that's where the Don't Start Now dance starts. And here she starts singing, aren't you the, and you don't have to do anything on the first one. So aren't you the, and then you start, yeah? And the last detail is at the end of Don't Start Now. So hurt me with the words from here. There's a reload sound, you can go reload and then you can say goodbye, yeah? Or freestyle, whatever you want. So then just repeat here, hurt me with the words, cat, cat, goodbye. So 3 things in total. So before the Sunday best then starts, there's a reload, good, bam, click. And then at the end of the Sunday best, you just don't do boom and then feeling blessed. So you just go ka 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 ka. You stop before the aren't you the guy who, and here at the end, hurt me with the words ka ka goodbye. Okay, so let me just do a quick preview here of the full dance with all the details. Then I'm also gonna do a run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick preview. It goes good, damn, click, like I should. Went and took a walk around, ka 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 ka. Aren't you the guy who and tried to hurt me with the words ka ka goodbye? Alright, now quick run through. So we're gonna go reload before we say cross and then back out. And then we wanna say snap, L, OK, arms up to your head. Then you wanna say tilt, left, up. And then you want to say walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, before you say left elbow, left arm up, right arm up, and then you want to push down 1, 2, before you say swing hips, 2, 3, 4, and then you want to say boogie, here, peace, peace, before you say hit me, and wipe away. From here right after, reload, point, bang. So let me explain the timing. So it goes click, click, and then it goes good, damn, snap beat, and then like I should. From here we go up and say click, click, and then it goes when and took a walk around, ka, 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 and then aren't you the guy who and try to and he don't hurt me with the words, and then right after click, click, goodbye. Now time for practice. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start on good, damn, click. Yeah, we're gonna start slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. Cap, cap. Good, bam, click, like I should. Went and took a walk around. Cat, 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 cat. Aren't you the guy who and tried to and hurt me with the words cat, cat, goodbye. Okay, let's just try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Cat, cat. Good, bang, snap, like I should. Click, click, went and took a walk around. Cat, 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 cat. Aren't you the guy who and tried to and hurt me with the words cat, cat, goodbye. Okay guys, let's just practice one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Clap, clap. Good, bang, click, like I should. Click, click, went and took a walk around. Cat, 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 cat. Aren't you the guy who and tried to and hurt me with the words cat, cat, goodbye. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. So that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Sunday best X Don't Start Now dance on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.